The following message is transmitted at the request of the United States government in coordination with the National Weather Service and the National Aeronautics and Space Administration. At exactly 11:32 p.m., a man has been possessed due to looking at the moon. If you have seen this man, run away as far as possible. If you have seen the moon, your life will be put in extreme risk. Thank you for listening. The instructions will be given only when the disease gets worse than it was before. We apologize for the inconvenience. Normal programming will resume shortly. This is an update from the alert that was sent earlier. The amount of possessed people got increased from 1 to 5. The instructions will still be given soon. This is just a little bit of an emergency.
The meteorological event is safe for all of you. Warning has been lifted. Go outside now.
We interrupt our programming. This is a national emergency. Important instructions will follow. The following message is transmitted at the request of the United States Police Department. At 12:30 a.m., the amount of possessed people have once again increased from 5 to 100. Please listen carefully. The following instructions are vital for your safety. Turn off all objects that include light. Do not look at yourself in a mirror. If you have people or pets outside, do not save them. If you have a fork or any other kitchen weapons, acquire them. If a member of your family is abducted or missing, do not search for them. Lock, secure, and seal all entrances in your home. If you are in a vehicle, pull over safely to the side of the road and turn off all lights. Do not look at the moon. Do not look at the ceiling. Do not look up. Do not look up. Do not look up. Do not look up. Do not look.